Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Metamask wallet with DogeChain. Okay, go to dogechain.doge and you will see their website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on Docs, and here you will see DogeChain testnet and mainnet. For you it's important mainnet now. Log to your Metamask wallet. When you are logged in, you will see this. Okay, this is the information about mainnet of DogeChain: Explorer chain ID, bridge, and RPC endpoints. All information I will post in the video description below. That will be easy for you to add DogeChain to Metamask. Go to Metamask, click here on networks and click add network. Okay, now just copy the all information, network name, network URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block Explorer URL. Click on save and you are connected to DogeChain here. Now you need to deposit DogeCoin. Just go to dogechain.doge, click on bridge DogeCoin to DogeChain. You will see this screen. Click connect wallet, select Metamask, click next, click connect, click sign, and your wallet is now connected on DogeChain. When you want to deposit DogeCoin, just click here to confirm and reveal address to send DogeCoin, and you will see here your DogeCoin address. You can deposit from Binance, FTX, or some other exchange, and this is important. Please deposit at least 100 DogeCoin. Any deposit lower than 100 DogeCoin will be lost. Okay, I will put all information in video description down below. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.